What is up, you guys? Back with another video. This time it's gonna be an unboxing. As you can see, I got a couple items that I kind of let it stacked up over the course of the weeks. I got week 1, week 2 shipments from Supreme. I honestly even forgot what I ordered. Also, let me know how week 4 went for you guys. My experience was complete trash. Website was laggy. Nothing, I mean, things slowed it, but overall was laggy. Everything flew literally. I only got one item. This was Tomorrow Tea in white, large. Got it for the personal. But everything else I just couldn't get, man. I really wanted that beanie so bad. And I wanted the crew neck as well. But hey, it is what it is. But let's start. So I got these shipments first. This was the tea. Hopefully I got the camel stickers. So I'm not gonna look at that yet. This was tea. Oh shit. Oh, so is that camo? Oh man. Alright, not too bad. Stay positive. I got that shirt too, actually. I forgot. For the personal. Ooh. We got the Supreme gloves, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna open, just because I don't know, I might resell them. I got like, well, probably like 3 pairs, so put that to the side. And then we got the Futura tee in black, size large, man. This is the one I wanted for the personal too. There it is. Supreme with that Futura logo. Futura. Sounds like future. But yeah, we got this one, which I really wanted. Yeah, week 1 went really well for me. I got pretty much everything I wanted. But week 2 went well too. Actually, I got what I wanted as well. Week 3, I didn't even buy anything. I didn't think it was any heat, to be honest. Like, I rather save the money for later down the road. And like I said, week 4, I really wanted some things, but hey. It's Hype Supreme, what you gonna do? Alright, so another pair of gloves. And then camo. Oh man. Alright, well I got the I guess I got the Captcha Verified Tee with a verified sticker. I think that's the second best sticker in the week 1, to be honest. But yeah, this Captcha Tee, man, I feel like this is gonna blow up down the road. Like, I got it for the personal just because I think it's funky. Like, they really hit us with that Captcha. But I don't know, if it goes up in price, I might have to let it go, because I just feel like it's gonna, man. Look at that. Come on. Supreme Trolling 101. But hey, oh, I know, accessories. Yeah, I forgot. It's been so long. I got a couple of things. I didn't even. Oh damn. Oh, sticker pack. Damn, man. The Pharaoh sticker. I really didn't get the camel one. No, but that's it. The Stay Positive tee. Another for the personal. When I saw this in cream, or the natural color, I went for it. I didn't realize I typed in my card info wrong, or it didn't go through. I tried to go back and add it in the natural. It was gone. I was low-key mad because the natural colorway was fire. The red with natural. Psh. But I was able to get the black though. Eh? Black goes with everything. So this one's going to be 100% for personal. So let's open it. Back message. It's about to hit different. I am always improving. I can do more. My mind is clear. I feel stronger and stronger. I do it now. I remember my goals. Supreme is with me. So this was definitely going for the personal. No resale on that one. And then I got the backpack. Oh. Let's get that out of the way. I really needed a backpack, man. Like, my old backpack, Nixon backpack, shout out to that backpack. It got me through college, 5 years of college. Did not give up on me. But yeah, it was asking for retirement. And I saw these, And I was like, oh, I really liked it. Like, you get the black with the Supreme, and then you get the, I really like the straps, how they have like the Supreme spell out going, and it's like shiny, and of course, Cordura. Like, what better quality could you ask? And overall, I like when backpacks are like very like strappy, you know what I'm saying? Like, look at all these clips. Like when there's hella clips and straps and like, just, you know, it looks like it's meant to be used. And like, I love when they got this front one too. Like, I don't know, I just really like the design. And then, like I said, I need a new backpack, so I went for it. I mean, I graduated now, so we're probably gonna use this for other things than school, but hey. I got the Black Diamond Supreme Storm 400 lumens, waterproof, IP67, yo. Same rating as the iPhone, I'm sure you know. Fun fact. But yeah, we got this Black Diamond. I don't know, I like hiking, I like camping, I like anything like outdoorsy. And I thought, hey, this is gonna come in clutch one day, so I had to pick it up. On top of that, you know, I live in Cali, so this is probably gonna go in the earthquake kit, you know, in case a big one hits. Nah, but seriously, I think this was pretty dope, like for somebody that likes the outdoors like me. Probably strap it on when I go on the night adventures. Shout out to all you people that like those night adventures. And I got me this beanie, man. I thought this beanie was fire. All colorways. Originally, I had the blue one in the cart. But you know how it goes with Supreme. And it ended up selling out, so I had to choose a different colorway. And I went with this green one, which I think is actually like, now that I see it in person, man, like this green goes with the Supreme and white. Oh yeah, this is the colorway right here. So I also got this beanie. Yep, it's about to be winter time, so you gotta get that headwear going. Oh, man, what the hell? We got more gloves in here? So I guess we got 4 pairs of gloves now. We got 2 stickers. Random ass stickers. See any other sticker pack in here? But we have the Nike. I don't know if I want to take this one out, man. This one might go for the resale. I don't know. Let's just open it up. I don't have any Supreme crew necks. And I thought this one was fun. Oh yeah, this is fire, dude. This is exactly what I thought it would be. So this logo right here, man, it reminds me so much, like I said in the first video, it reminds me so much of like the Nike logo that was being used back in the early 2000s, you know, when the World Cup was going on, the 2002 World Cup. Shout out to you if you watched that World Cup. That World Cup was insane, man. This when Brazil got their 7th title, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, they had Nike launched a whole like soccer ad campaign, and then football ad campaign, and then the commercials were crazy, and the music in them were crazy too. That samba music, oh man, I still remember like it was yesterday. Point being, the logo on their shoes, the logo on the soccer balls, everything was very like this, like, you know, it's very like, it's kind of retro-ish, you know what I'm saying? So when I saw this release, I was like, oh man, I need a Supreme crew neck, and it's gonna be a collab with Nike. Come on, dude. Size large. I might just have to keep this one for the personal too. Even though, like I said, the retail is looking pretty nice on this, and I'm sure it's only gonna go up. I mean, the resale. Damn, the quality on this is pretty crazy too. Shit, looking at it, might be a little. Might have gone for a medium. I don't know. I'm on week 9 of my cut, so you know, getting a little small. But here it is. Great quality. Clean logo. Supreme, Nike. What else could you ask for? Anyways, there you guys have it. Supreme week 1, week 2, stay positive. Captcha tee. I got all in black too. Couture tee. Nike Supreme crew neck. Black. Bunch of gloves, beanie. A must for night adventures. And the backpack. And that's it, man. So yeah, moving forward, let's see what else we could get from Supreme. I'm really looking forward towards the crew neck with the airplane and the Supreme logo, like where it's dragging the Supreme logo. I think that image is crazy. I'm definitely want the crew neck. I even want the jacket that's like all over print, but I feel like that one's gonna fly. I'm not sure if it's gonna be doable. But yeah, the crew neck I definitely want. Box logo, box logo, like, come on, you gotta. The beanie box logo, you gotta. And then what else? A couple other outerwear. This is a couple things that I really want and that I'm really gonna try to get. But for now, this is what we got so far. Week 4 didn't go as we planned, but hopefully the rest of the weeks do go as we planned, man. Comment below if you guys got anything from week 4, because like I said, everything flew, and for manual, I don't think it was it today, boys. Sorry. But yeah, let me know what you guys got. Let me know what else you guys are looking forward towards for the rest of the season. And yeah, that's it for today. All right.